Hello everyone, welcome to Tech with Ashutosh. Today we are going to see how to clone your voice using AI. So head over to your favorite browser, search for this specify.com voice cloning, select for specify voice cloning. In your searches, click on try for free, do your authentication sign up. I will select my Google account, click on continue. Post that it will start signing you up. First you need to import your voice. For importing your voice, either you can do two things. Either you can record or choose any file if you have. I will choose a file. Once it is there, you can accept to the terms and condition that you are not going to use it for illegal purposes. Post accepting this, you will get your voice cloned after clicking on this generate voice option, and there you have it, folks. Your voice is generated. Let's play it. You also get the option to download it. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe for more such content.